India has donated 28 ICU ventilators to Nepal to support its fight against the COVID-19 pandemic. Nepal has so far reported 194,453 COVID-19 cases and 1,108 deaths. The ventilators were handed over by the Indian ambassador Vinay M. Kautra to Nepal's Minister for Health. Earlier as well, India had gifted COVID-19 test kits, ventilators and medicines to the Nepal government to help in its effort to control the infection. During the handing over ceremony, Ambassador Vinay reiterated India's solidarity with the government and the people of Nepal in their fight to contain the pandemic and reaffirmed India's commitment to provide all necessary help in this regard.